Why is Monday so far from Friday, but Friday so close to Monday? Hi guys, today we're gonna sit down and do another Dollar Tree haul. It's actually a pretty small one. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I have been doing Dollar Tree hauls for a very long time, probably I think over 6 years. I actually need to stop and think about what the actual number is, but that's how long I've been doing Dollar Tree hauls on YouTube. But yeah, my days that I haul for you guys are Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. And then the other days of the week, I like to do like decorating videos related to the house. So if you're interested in that, hope you guys click subscribe and stick around. For those of you who've been around and continuously support my channel, thank you so much. As a matter of fact, I was planning on inserting my disclaimer that I talked about in the last Dollar Tree haul video, but after reading your guys' response and how supportive you were, I got to thinking and thought, I don't want to have for you guys to have to kind of sit through that. I mean, obviously you could skip through the disclaimer of why, you know, I have Dollar Tree stuff, basically. If you're confused, I'll just link that video down below. I think that's what I'm just gonna do. If you want to go back and watch the disclaimer, go for it. But I would rather cater my videos to those of you who, you know, are just here for the simple enjoyment of this Dollar Tree haul and not to, you know, bite somebody's head off or say something, you know, rude or negative, etc. And I know that must be confusing for some of you who don't know, I guess, kind of what I'm talking about, but I'm just going to reference that one video, and if you just need to just go back and see that disclaimer, it's going to be over in that video. But I've just kind of decided I'm not going to insert it into every video moving forward. But that's basically it. Why don't we just go ahead and get started today? So it is a small haul, which, by the way, this is all still the same one shopping trip to Dollar Tree that I've made during this whole virus situation. So the last two videos, the last two Dollar Tree haul videos are still the same haul, and I actually have maybe another video or two of the products. That's why they're kind of a little bit smaller, so that I could break them out and stretch them out over, you know, the days that I film for my Dollar Tree hauls, if that makes sense. Is anyone following me? Sometimes I hear myself talk and I stopped listening. The words are coming out, but I've checked out and I've left and I've gone somewhere else. So let's go ahead and get started. Couple of like random things, but I have picked up some new gloves, and they're gardening gloves, and I love the colors. Sometimes they do the ones with like the patterns and the polka dot and the flowers. I love those, have bought those. I think my last pair that I showed you guys were yellow, and then I picked up this gray. I've been really into gray lately, and then the blue. These are for gardening, you know, and or my lawn, mowing the lawn, all of that stuff, just to keep my hands, you know, not getting calloused and dirty and all those things. Long explanation for some gloves. Let me reach over here. I got some more organization stuff. I guess I could have honestly included it in the last video, but I was just trying to I was actually trying to make each haul kind of seem random rather than grouping things together, is what I was trying to do. And I picked up these Sterilite little organization boxes. I actually have 4 of them. So here we go. Got 4 of them because I am going to be determined in this house. I am going to organize my craft room so that I can actually use it. It was one of the reasons why I just failed to really do a lot of my planning videos, just because I was just overwhelmed by the lack of organization that was kind of going on in there, and it just like kept me from wanting to go in there. Next up are some shipping labels. I knew that when I saw these that they might be great for organizing my craft room. It's actually going to happen this weekend. Well, not in terms of getting furniture, because there's absolutely no furniture in there. Wow, this is one whole label. That's pretty big, but you can cut those in half. So I'll definitely be cutting those in half and labeling them. So I think these are amazing. So if you need to do some organization, don't pass up on these gorgeous shipping labels. And I love how I'm going to take this back out again, but I love how matte the surface is. It's kind of hard to see white on camera, but it's very matte rather than a gloss. And I prefer that because I feel like a permanent marker, or maybe even running it through a printer, would just be a lot nicer. Next up is another poster sticker. In a recent Dollar Tree haul, at the end of it, I showed you guys my collection of these. So if you have not seen my Dollar Tree collection of these wall decals and poster stickers, I'll link that video down below for you. I love my collection. I don't know why. I'm incredibly proud of it. Probably because some of the things I showed you guys we'll never find again. But I picked up this one. It's a new one of alpha letters. All right, then the last things are a ton of books, and oh my gosh, I love finding books at Dollar Tree. I feel like it's a hit and miss. It almost feels like a treasure hunt of sorts, and I feel like I hit kind of a little jackpot. So this one says Dear Jane, and I was trying to shop as quickly and effectively as I could. So a lot of these I haven't even actually looked into it. I just kind of was like, okay, this looks appealing, and I grab and like move on. But this one I have not even looked into yet, and it says Dear Jane, and it is another Pride and Prejudice book. Like, how cute. For starters, like just the way that this little book is. And then here's the little intro page. For Jane and all the headstrong females who love her. Etiquette and lifestyle. I'm not entirely sure where this is headed, but let's see. Dear Jane, what should I get my sister for Christmas? That's the question. The answer is nobody minds having what is too good for them. So it kind of looks like this. You see the Q for question here, and then A for answer. This is a very interesting little book. Question, Dear Jane, should I go to my high school reunion? Answer, perfect happiness even in memory is not common. And they're all quotes from Jane Austen. You can see that they quoted her. That is really interesting. I don't know that some of this makes sense, but that's all it is. It's a question and answer. Dear Jane, I want to marry a rich man. And I feel like I deserve it. How can I make that happen? Yeah, Jane. And Jane's quote is, there certainly are not so many men of large fortune in the world as there are pretty women to deserve them. I don't think she answered the question, though. Oh, Dear Jane, why is everyone I meet a creeper? Jane says, stupid men are the only ones worth knowing after all. What? I don't know. It's kind of intriguing and weird. But there you have it. Here's the next one. It's called Hungry Girl, 200 under 200, meaning 200 recipes under 200 calories. And I found this at the Dollar Tree. What? That's absolutely insane. Not every single thing has a picture. As a matter of fact, I saw some pictures here a second ago, but I really like a cookbook with pictures. I need to know what, like what the heck I'm kind of cooking. So this doesn't really have that. It only gives you a couple of pictures here and there, but wow. But they're all desserts. So it's just desserts, and I think that's really cool. Here's the back of the book. Look how thick that is. That's absolutely nuts. Very vanilla fluff cakes. Oh, wow. Cake pops. There's a chapter on cake pops. Wow. Cake mugs and all of that stuff in here. Is this not a terrific find or what? Okay, then I picked up some like novel books. You can see how thick this is. I mean, reading has been really coming back full force. I got busy just when I was looking at houses, and then the whole process, and then just packing and all of that. I just didn't have time for stuff like this. And now that we're pretty much all home, yeah, so I just found this book, and it's called Eagle and Empire, The Clash of Eagles Trilogy Book 3. So I'm obviously missing something. It seems like a book that's kind of like a more about war, something that I think more men would read than women, but that's my own little statistic. That's completely probably inaccurate. But yeah, it just looks like a historical, warlike type of book. So there's that. Then this one really caught my eye because of the sticker that was on it, and it's Born of Vengeance. Isn't that cool looking book? And then, but if you look at the sticker, it was once $20. And did it come from Walmart? Yeah, this came from Walmart. It's just interesting how things just kind of make its way to Dollar Tree, and we're getting it for $1. So that one's really interesting. And this one, you guys know I geeked out over this one. It is a little like fun fact-ish type magazine on Star Trek. Now, I'm a Star Trek Voyager girl. I've never really gotten into any of these other Star Treks. I've never gotten into the movies, but I need to try. I need to watch them and see if I'm gonna like it. But this was really cool because it's just, you know, a bunch of pictures from the cast and all of that stuff. So if you have a Star Trek fan in the midst, this would be like a really great little present to put aside, you know, because let me tell you, the fans for Star Trek and Star Wars are some of the biggest fans of a specific franchise ever. Like, I don't know that you can beat Star Trek fans or Star Wars fans. I mean, they have conventions, you know, that are massive for this, that have been going on since the 70s. So I think that this is a fantastic find for $1. I know I'm just kind of flipping through there at an awkward angle, but I mean, for $1, are you freaking kidding me? Glad I found that one. The next one is hilarious. It's called Love and Death in Burgundy. What does that even mean? But the little enchanting night amongst the stars and the little town and the wine glass. I mean, is that just... Oh, the spilt. That wine has been spilt. That chair has been knocked over. I just rolled off there. After 3 years of living in a small town, Rainy-sur-Cannes, somewhere in France, all Catherine Goff really wants is to be accepted by her neighbors and to their little community. But as an American living in the proud region of Burgundy, oh, that's no easy task. So anyway, obviously it's probably a little murder mystery type of book from Dollar Tree, and I don't know. I think the little cover art is just adorable. Love it. I'm gonna give this one a go. And the last thing is a little magazine. That's something I started seeing Dollar Tree do in this last year or so. This one really caught my eye. It is a small space organizing with 168 big ideas. So look at that. What? Isn't that awesome? What's your clutter personality type? There's like a little quiz here to get you started. And wow, how cool is that? But yeah, so don't pass up on the little magazines. I love all the puzzle books, the Sudoku, I never know which way to say it. The search and finds, the spot the differences, the coloring books. For whatever reason, I feel like I was a little off today. I don't know why. I think my energy is just kind of a little bit like down a little bit. Not for any reason, really. I mean, I woke up in a great mood and everything, but I just kind of feel like I was a little off in today's video. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I cannot believe the stack of books that I found. I mean, honestly, just goosebump worthy. Absolutely love these. I mean, are you freaking kidding me? So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for being so open to me, to my content, for not having any judgment. It means everything to me, and I'm so thankful for you guys. Thank you for stopping by and hanging out with me, supporting my channel, and hopefully I'll see you guys next time. Bye.